A straight-up Chinese lo mein noodle stir-fry. No vegetables or meat. Quick and easy and better than takeout. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. These are the lo mein noodles that I'm using. You can find them in the refrigerated or frozen section of your Asian store. I'm following the instructions in cooking in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes and then draining and rinsing in cold water. I actually cooked these noodles yesterday and then tossed them in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil so they don't stick together. In a skillet or wok on medium heat, I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 pound of the cooked lo mein. Giving the noodles a little toss in the oil and starting to heat the noodles through. Now I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce, and this is the key to a good lo mein, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Giving that a good toss to coat all the noodles. Cooking and tossing for about 3 minutes or until the noodles are heated through. And it's that easy. If you are a total noodle fan and not into all the vegetables and meat, this is the lo mein recipe for you. You will be surprised how good these noodles are and much better than the Chinese takeout. You can make these noodles much better at home. You can garnish with whatever you like. Tonight I have a little drizzle of hot chili oil for a little spiciness and some chopped green onions. This Chinese lo mein stir-fry is so easy and so good. I hope you give it a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.